I think the reason why our clients come to Florio and Perrucci is that you want a team that has a history of success.
You have to really care about the client. You have to really understand their story and what happened. You're basically building a relationship, a connection, a friendship. And hopefully at the end of the day, justice is served. The client feels that we're family. And in a lot of cases, I think that's how it turns out.
We have an office in Easton, PA, but we represent clients throughout the Lehigh Valley. We're licensed throughout the state of Pennsylvania. We also practice throughout the state of New Jersey. We're not just a one county law firm. We are a broad law firm that can meet the needs of people in both states.
We know the courts, we know the judges and certain personalities. When we've won multi-million-dollar verdicts, we feel that we could provide everything that a New York firm would do and even more of a personal touch.
We handle as a practice the most serious of injuries. It involves people who are seriously injured for life, maybe with permanent disabilities, and it also unfortunately involves representing families who have lost loved ones as a result of the negligence or recklessness of someone else.
Florio and Perrucci has an extensive team of personal injury attorneys, so we're able to focus on your case thoroughly and have the best team in place, from investigators to medical experts.
We strive to keep the case moving as fast as we can. We understand people want recovery as soon as possible, but we're there for the long haul, and we're going to do whatever we can to bring the case to closure and to justice.
You want a firm that has a track record of success, that has a history of success. We can't guarantee success, but we will do everything feasible to make your case as strong as possible before a judge and a jury.
We're not a volume-based shop. We try to focus on a smaller core group of really good cases, real serious cases where people have serious injuries.
Permanent injuries, permanent disfigurements, wrongful deaths.
And we feel that philosophy is more beneficial for our clients' successes.
And what that does is it allows us to really put the focus and the effort into the case that's necessary. We're going to be involved in your case from start up until finish, whether that's through trial or through a settlement.
And we aggressively pursue these cases.
By taking only the most serious cases and focusing on those serious cases, we have more time to really focus on your case and give it the attention that it deserves.
We make it a point that a client calls, we get back to them within an hour. Biggest things that get attorneys in trouble is when they don't communicate to their client effectively. Whether you have good or bad news, what clients want are your attention and showing that you care for their cases.
They will always get an answer from me quickly. If I don't have the answer, I will make sure that I get that answer for them.
We become pretty close with the clients, and they become friends even after the cases.
We'll be referred by clients that we had for other personal injury cases that their friends may have experienced.
The war is usually won before it's ever fought. In these types of cases, you have to investigate them very aggressively, very early.
People's memories fade over time. Witnesses may no longer be able to be found. So coming to us early allows us to get a team of investigators out there immediately.
You have to be able to communicate. You are their advocate. You are their mouthpiece, and they only get one chance at justice. So you have to be very organized, very aggressive, and very focused.
Going through that process hopefully at least brings them a little closure, knowing that the system is there, the system works. You work with these people for a prolonged period of time. You get to know them, you form relationships with them. Often you talk to them, sometimes every day.
And you are truly their advocate.
It makes you feel like you're fighting on the right side to help people receive justice, to receive compensation that may ultimately make their lives a little better after they were in a devastating situation.
I really do think it's about customer service. It's about a level of care that's personal and a connection that's real. 100% effort, not just from a legal perspective, but as a human being, from human being to human being.